Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 17. I'm going to explain about tense of verbs. Chapter 17 or bab 17. Verbs. Tenses of verbs. 1. Tenses are understood from the context. The same form of verb can be used for the present, the future, the past, and even the continuous tense. When the sentence is ambiguous, then we add the appropriate words or phrases denoting time. The sentence, saya makan nasi, could mean, I eat rice, that is simple present tense. Or, I ate rice, simple past tense. Or, I am eating rice, present continuous tense. So this just one simple sentence could be present tense, past tense, or present continuous tense. Now observe the following sentence. 1. Pelajaran bahasa Melayu mula pada pukul 9 pagi tiap-tiap hari. Malay language lesson starts on 9 o'clock in the morning every day. Number 2. Dia mula belajar bahasa Melayu semalam. He or she started to learn Malay language yesterday. The same form of verb mula, mula means start or begin, is used for sentences 1 and 2. But in sentence 1, it is in the present tense, while in sentence 2, is in the past tense because the word semalam, semalam, yesterday. So this sentence is past tense. It's a word indicating past time. Now observe the following sentence. 1. Saya pergi ke pejabat tiap-tiap hari. I go to the office every day. 2. Saya pergi ke Ipoh esok. I will go to Ipoh tomorrow. The verb pergi is in the present tense in sentence 1 and in the future tense in sentence 2 because the word esok, tomorrow, indicates its tense. Akan. If a sentence in the future tense is ambiguous in its futurity, then the word akan is used. This is equivalent to the English word shall and will. Examples. Kita akan dapat cuti 5 hari. We shall get 5 days leave. Cuti, leave, vacation or holiday. Dia akan jadi seorang kerani. He or she will become a clerk. Lembu itu akan mati kalau tidak makan ubat. The cow will die if it doesn't take medicine. Makan means eat medicine. In Malay we say eat medicine, take medicine. Words to remember. Nouns. Gajah, elephant. Hujan, rain. Sayur, vegetables. Kebun, orchard or garden. Pokok, tree, plant. Daging, meat, any meat. Adjectives. Susah, difficult or hard. Tidak berapa susah, not so difficult. Verbs. Belajar, to learn. Tumbuh, to grow. Boleh, can or possible. Dapat, to get. Mati, to die or to stop the engines, cloud and others. Turun, to fall, for rain, or to go down, to come down. Verbs. Hidup, to be alive, to live. Mula, start or to begin. Jadi, so, or to become, to form, to happen. Adverbs. Esok, tomorrow. Juga, also. Bila, when. Hari ini, today. Tiap-tiap hari, every day. 2 tahun dahulu, 2 years ago. Dulu means past or before. 3 bulan sudah, 3 months ago. Same meaning, sudah means already. Tiap-tiap orang, everybody or everyone. Prepositions. Dari, from, for time and place. Hingga, till or until. Kepada, to, for person or animate objects. Ke, to, place. Conjunctions. Kalau, if. Another word, jika or jikalau. But we use a lot kalau. Conversations or perbualan. Awak belajar bahasa Inggeris, Encik Tan? Do you learn English, Mr. Tan? Ya, saya belajar bahasa Inggeris. Yes, I am learning English. Bila awak mula belajar bahasa Inggeris? When do you start to learn English? Saya mula belajar bahasa Inggeris 3 bulan sudah. I start to learn English 3 months ago. Di mana awak belajar bahasa Inggeris? Where do you learn English? Saya belajar bahasa Inggeris di pejabat saya. I learn English in my office. Dengan siapa awak belajar? With whom you study? Saya belajar dengan kawan-kawan saya. I learn with my friends. Awak belajar dari pukul berapa hingga pukul berapa? You learn or you study from what time to what time? Saya belajar dari pukul 5 hingga pukul 6 petang. I study from 5 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the afternoon or evening. Siapa nama guru awak? What's your teacher's name? Nama guru saya Encik Frederick. My teacher's name is Mr. Frederick. Awak fikir bahasa Inggeris senang atau susah? Do you think that English easy or difficult? Saya fikir bahasa Inggeris tidak berapa susah. I think English is not so difficult. Encik Tan, awak makan apa tiap-tiap hari? What do you eat every day, Mr. Tan? Saya makan nasi tiap-tiap hari. I eat rice every day. Awak makan nasi dengan lauk apa? Do you eat rice with what or what dish? Lauk means dish or side dish. Saya makan nasi berlaukkan daging atau ikan dan sayur. I have rice with meat or fish and vegetables. Ikan hidup di mana? Where do the fish live? Ikan hidup di sungai atau di laut. The fish live in the river or in the sea. Bolehkah ikan laut hidup di sungai? Can the sea water fish live in the river? Tak boleh. Cannot or not possible. Ikan laut tak boleh hidup di sungai. The sea water fish cannot live in the river. Bolehkah ikan sungai hidup di laut? Can the freshwater fish live in the sea? Tak boleh juga. Also cannot. Ikan sungai tak boleh hidup di laut. Freshwater fish cannot live in the sea. Exercise or latihan. Saya makan durian. I eat durian. Anjing itu mati. That dog died. Pokok itu hidup. That tree or that plant live. Dia dapat wang. He or she gets money. Abang saya tinggal di Petaling Jaya. My elder brother lives in Petaling Jaya. Guru kami balik dari Singapura. Our teacher returned from Singapore. Pelawat-pelawat itu sampai di sini. Those visitors arrive here. Esok, yesterday. Esok, no, yesterday is tomorrow. Semalam, yesterday. 5 hari dahulu, last 5 days. 3 bulan dahulu, last 3 months. 2 tahun dahulu, last 2 years. Dahulu, we can also change with lepas, means past, also means ago. For informal form, dulu or lalu. Selepas 3 hari, after 3 days. Selepas means after. 3 hari lagi, 3 days left or 3 days more. Minggu lepas, last week, or minggu lalu, last week. We use minggu lepas more. Selepas means after. Minggu depan, next week. Saya makan durian semalam. I ate durian yesterday. Anjing itu mati 5 hari dahulu. That dog died 5 days ago. Pokok itu hidup 3 bulan lalu. That tree lived 3 months ago. Dia dapat wang esok. He or she will get money tomorrow. Abang saya tinggal di Petaling Jaya 3 bulan dahulu. My elder brother lived in Petaling Jaya 3 months ago. Guru kami balik dari Singapura esok. Our teacher returned from Singapore tomorrow. Pelawat-pelawat itu sampai di sini esok. Those visitors will arrive here on tomorrow. Another exercise, number 1. All the participants stay in the sport village at Bukit Jalil. Semua peserta-peserta tinggal di perkampungan sukan di Bukit Jalil. 2. We drank mineral water just now. Kami minum air galian tadi. Or we can just say air mineral. 3. Dashrin keys in all the data into the computer. Dashrin masuk semua data ke dalam komputer. 4. I played squash yesterday. Saya main squash semalam. If kemarin means the days ago or last 2 days. 5. Natasha bought a laser disc this morning. Natasha beli sekeping cakra laser pagi tadi. 6. Teachers are using computers to teach nowadays. Guru-guru zaman sekarang guna komputer untuk mengajar. 7 or 7. Tourists love to eat local fruits. Pelancong-pelancong suka buah-buahan tempatan or suka makan buah-buahan tempatan. 8. Students obtain the latest information from the internet. Pelajar-pelajar mendapat maklumat yang terkini dari internet. 9. They went to the disco last night. Mereka pergi ke disco semalam. Malam-semalam, also same, last night. Malam tadi, also last night. If just semalam, it means yesterday. Number 10. I go to the Arabic class once a week. Saya pergi ke kelas senaman Arabic seminggu sekali or sekali seminggu, once in a week. Senaman means exercise. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.